म्हज्या मोगाल इस्तिमोसांच्या भावांनो आनी भयणांनो, काय बरें आमी हे गायेक आमची गंगा माय म्हणटा पळयात. काय बरें आमकां फॅसिलिटीज प्रोवायड कोत्ता पळय हो लोक. कितें गार्बेज खावन दीस काडटाय. आसूं न्ही, काडटा तें काडटा. हांव तुमकां दाखोवंक सोदतां आमचें सुपुल्लें सुंदर हें आमचें गोंय. इस्तिमोसांवचें आमकां आमच्या पुर्वजांनी दिल्लेलें आहा तें हें गोंय. काय ना, सोक्का फुडें दर्यार येतालो आनी येता म्हणल्यार तुमकां दाखोवया ह्यो बऱ्योशो गजाल्यो आमच्या दर्या देगेल्यो पळोवंक शकता तुमी. काय बरो आमचो दर्या पळया गो. This is our beautiful Goa. Welcome to our Osmitai. This is our heritage. And now this is our auspicious beach, by the way. This beach is very auspicious and known for its beauty. The greenery, the rich biodiversity. And in a power to pour out maka hobar na, but I still manage. Oh God. Okay. Let's see. So, ये आमचो बीच, एक आमी वॉजरान म्हणटा, द मॅजिकल अँड मिस्टिकल बीच ऑफ गोवा. हें कितें रे आतां, हें ऑथॉरिटीक दिसना. हें ऑथॉरिटीक दिसना हिंगा कितें चलना तें. काय बरो दर्या मरे. हेका पळोवपाक आमचो भायलो ऑल द पीपल from all over the world, they come here to see this beauty. Which one do you like? Please tell me, my beautiful people, which area do you like the most now? Towards my right side or towards my left side? And this is what we are giving. Yes, it will wash away all to the water. Look at this debris, what has been fallen here. Why the authority is not concerned? Why? You all tell me, why the authority is not concerned? Because authority is happy, very happy. Why they will be concerning about the biodiversity? Why they will be concerning about this nature? Why they will concern about the heritage of our Goa? But what we want is development. What we want is money. And this is what we want. By the way, I just want to tell the local people from here, okay? There are some people who just pap talk like me. I only talk, no? What I can do, I talk. But at least I talk sense. Now these local people have the concern for me. And they tell me, Feli, what are you doing this video? You gonna take the money from them and keep quiet? Arey, what I can do, I can at least create an awareness. If you have the sense, if you're a local, come up, go to your authority and do the complaint. Why not? Why not you can't do that? You cannot do, but you can talk. Like me, I talk, but I create awareness at least, and some changes happen. Changes do happen. This is what I want to tell you all. And my concern is only one, not to grab the money. My concern is to create an awareness to the local people, because if you don't protect your land today, then tomorrow the land is gone and nowhere you can show your future. The future, our heritage, our authenticity. I still remember as a child, I used to come to this beautiful beach and I used to sit here. I used to sit here, look at the difference. Look at the contrast. Look at the difference. Look at it. What is the point? What is the point me telling you all? And secondly, I don't even know the owner. How I'll take the money from the owner if I don't know the owner? And you think that owner is concerned to look at me? A poor boy from Goa? No. But the best way, what you all can do is get it out. So even the owner's owner get the sense in the mind. The people, the materialistic people who are coming to Goa, invest your money. Everybody needs money, but on what cost? What is the price we are paying for our Goa? That has to think. And that I think only conscious people can think. And who are conscious? We are human beings, yeah. We have to be conscious, not like animals. You look at this debris; these are getting all washed. For this monsoon, entire they got washed in the sea. And what is the authority doing? I don't understand. You have been elected. You are elected representative by the local people to protect to save our rich biodiversity. And this is how you're going to save. Nothing, I'm just putting the ball in your court. The people just have the concern to protect, preserve and restore our beautiful, beautiful Goa. What has been given to us by our ancestors. आमच्या पूर्वजांनी आमकां हें दिल्लेलें आहा, आमी कशें राखूंक शकता. आमच्या फुडाराच्या भुरग्यां पासत ही आमची अस्मिता, ही आमची हेरिटेज, ही आमची हरियाली. राखया मोगाल गोंयकारांनो, राखया. एटलिस्ट थोडे भाशेन तरी आमचें कितें तरी इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिवन राखया आमच्या फुडाराच्या भुरग्यां पासत. देव बरें करूं. दिस इज फॅली गोम्स टू यू ऑल. वन्स अगेन आय एम इन वॉजरान.